All right, Superhero Stepdad back again, and we just had our grades pop on this 65 card modern bulk, which is 1980 through today. So we're gonna try to reveal them on the phone here. I'm recording with my phone on my wife's phone, and we're gonna look at the grades. So we did not see the grades on these yet, so we're going to reveal them live. It's a blind reveal, so I'm gonna zoom in. And here we go. All right, first card is 1980 Topps Steve Carlton.
Maybe.
Maybe. PSA 8. And let me focus on that. All right. I'm a big Phillies fan, so cool. All right, next is Nolan Ryan, 1980 Topps. This is a nice one. PSA 8 on that. Let me get this to focus. Hold on a second. It's not focusing on the flip. There we go. Okay. Not bad. Third card. This is 1980 Topps Kareem Abdul-Jabbar and a couple other players. Oh, PSA 9. Excellent. Just going to manually zoom in instead of try to zoom. All right, cool card. Next is the 81 Topps Fernando Valenzuela / Mike Scioscia rookie. There are no PSA 10s of this card in existence, so I'm not expecting a 10 on this card. We get a PSA 8. Okay, as I said, yeah, there are 0 10s at all of that card. Kirk Gibson, 81 Topps Kirk Gibson rookie. Survey says, boom, PSA 8. All right. All right, this is the Cal Ripken Jr. Topps traded, 82 Topps traded. I picked this up in a trade at a card show a few months back. Hold on, I'm expecting like a 7. And got a 7, okay. They're consistent. I don't have my pre-grades with me. I'm trying to remember what I expected. 82 Donruss, Nolan Ryan. I'm expecting like an 8, maybe a 9 on this. 8, all right. Ronnie Lott rookie, 82 Topps Ronnie Lott. I'd like to see a 9 on this one. Probably going to get, all right, an 8. Ricky Henderson, 83 Topps. Hopefully a 9. An 8. They do grade these junk wax difficult. 83 Topps traded Darryl Strawberry rookie. Let's see, we got probably an 8 on this one. A 6. PSA, you drunk. What's the 6 on that one? I wouldn't have sent that in if I thought I would get a 6. I'll have to look that over to see why that's a 6. 83 Topps Walter Payton sticker. Let's see what this comes back as. A 9. Oh, that's nice. Excellent job on that one. 84 Topps Nolan Ryan. An 8. Hold on a minute. Let me try to get this centering to focus a little better on these. There we go. Okay. Focus is not, there we go. All right, 84 Donruss, Darryl Strawberry. 9, not bad. 85 Topps, Sean Dunston rookie. PSA 9, okay. 86, all right, this is the Hulk Hogan, 85 Topps WWF Hulk Hogan. This is gonna be a low grade. Let's see what we get. A 4, all right, but still this card is in such demand. I knew it wasn't going to grade high at all. 86 Topps traded Bo Jackson. An 8, all right. 86 Fleer update Will Clark. A 7. 87 Topps Barry Bonds. I'm hoping for a 9 on this. An 8. Yeah. All right. All right, this one was pack pulled. 87 Topps Macho Man and Miss Elizabeth. We get a 6. How is this one a 6? It's another one of those. I'm going to have to look over why in the world did I get a 6. 89 Topps Mike Schmidt, my favorite player of all time. Gets a 9. Okay. 89 score Rod Woodson, Pittsburgh Steeler, great. Gets a 9. Nice card. 1990 Topps Ken Griffey Jr. This is my favorite looking Ken Griffey Jr. card. It's such a nice card. Gets an 8. Okay. 1990 Classic Hulk Hogan. Card number 1 gets an 8. That's a cool card. I think this is the Demolition. Yeah, I don't know how this one, I don't know how I had this one graded because it's difficult 6. Yeah, but this one's really rare, so I'm glad to have that one slabbed. Okay. All right, this is Desert Shield. These are the ones that were sent to the military for the first Iraq war back in 91. So these are really, really rare to find and get graded. This gets an 8. Okay, for Dwight Evans. Questionable authenticity for this one. Sorry, this card can't be displayed right now for the Dennis Cook. Okay, so that means they weren't able to guarantee that it was real or not. Chris Mullin Stadium Club Beam Team gets a 9. All right. All right, this is the Black Gold Winner AB from 93 Tops. Comes back at 9. All right, these cards are pretty cool. 93 WrestleMania, these are those Coliseum cards. This is from WrestleMania, what is it? Oh, 7. Hulk Hogan versus Sergeant Slaughter. And it gets an 8. All right. Next up, this is 1994 action-packed Santa Claus insert. Gets a 9. It's a good grade for a card like that because it's a thicker stock and it's raised. All right, this was from WWF Magazine 1995. Andre the Giant card. A 9. Oh, that is an excellent grade for that card. That's a really good grade because PSA is so difficult on the cards that have perforation on them, and as you can see, these were taken out of magazines with the perforation, so I'm very, very happy with that grade. Okay, next I think is this card. Depending on the grade, this could be huge because this is Triple H Hunter Hearst Helmsley's rookie card, also from the magazine. So come on, give us a good grade on this one. An 8. That's not bad. That is definitely not bad. It's perforated on 3 sides because it was the top card in the magazine. All right, same magazine, I believe. This is Undertaker card. Gets a 7. All right, not bad. Hold on a minute. Let me go back to the Undertaker a second. What is he wearing in that? He has like a mask on, like Phantom of the Opera. I don't know what that was all about. He's wrestling Bret Hart, but yeah, I don't remember that gimmick that he had where he had a mask on, but okay. Next is 1996 Mickey Mantle Redemption for the 52 Tops. And for this, we get an 8. Okay, if only that was the actual 52 Tops. 1997 Bowman Chrome Roy Halladay, rest in peace. Comes back, a 9. Oh, nice grade. Tough to get that one in a high grade. 97 Flair Showcase, David Ortiz, Wave of the Future. Looks like he's surfing in this card. Comes back, an 8. Okay. 97 Skybox, EX 2000 Stardate 1, Curtis Martin. Comes back, an 8. Next up is a Kobe Bryant Skybox EX 2001 Stardate. There's a good card here, and an 8. That is such a nice card. I'm happy with that one. 1998 Bowman, just the regular Bowman Peyton Manning rookie. We get an 8 on that one. We're seeing a theme here with the 8s. 2002 Tops 10 autographs, Jimmy Rollins. I don't know the Tops 10, but I got an 8. I just pulled this, or I just got this one in a trade at a show not too long ago. 2002 Topps Chrome Pau Gasol Refractor, a 9. Excellent on that. Next card, 2004 Topps Yadier Molina. Come on, big money, big money. 9. Okay, not bad, not bad. 2004 Jimmy Gobble, Zach Greinke. This is the Greinke rookie. Comes back a 9. All right, future Hall of Famer right there. 2004 Topps Gold Joe Mauer. Get a 9. That is an awesome grade on that card. Excellent right there. Next up, oh, here we go. Andrew McCutcheon, Topps Gold Rookie. This is really hard to find this card. I just picked this one up in a trade. We get an 8. Okay, all right. He's having a pretty decent year for the Buccos.
Your wife's favorite.
My wife's favorite player. 2007 Upper Deck Masterpieces, Sandy Koufax. I'm hoping for a 10 on this one. Oh, we get a 9. All right, that's just a low value card. All right, here's Max Scherzer, one of my favorite pitchers. His rookie Topps update and highlights. A 10. Nice. Excellent. Oh, yes. Love it. 2009 Matthew Stafford, one of the most undervalued quarterbacks right now. Oh, we get a 10 on the Matthew Stafford Topps Chrome Refractor. Oh, that is money right there. Yeah, love it. I think there's another Stafford coming up next. Yeah, this is the blue refractor. We get on this one a 9. All right. We've got a 10 on the Scherzer and the Stafford. All right, hold on. This card here, the Topps Chrome, had potential to be the biggest card in the order. This is the Buster Posey green Rapper Redemption card. If this is a 10, which I doubt it is because we would have got upcharged, but if it's a 10, it's worth like over $1,000. Even the 9s are worth a lot of money. So I'm not expecting a 10, but a 9 would be very nice. Let's see what they gave it. Oh, they gave it a 10. That card's going to pay for the entire order right there. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my god. I'm shocked that they didn't upcharge this because this was submitted at the $4.99 max value level. Holy cow. I am in shock. Let me see the back of that because this is numbered to I don't know if we can pick it up. It's numbered out of $5.99. Yeah. Wow. I mean, Giancarlo Stanton has one in, I believe, in this set as well, his rookie. But oh my goodness, to pull a 10 on that, holy cow. Wow. That is amazing. I'm like in shock right now. All right, let's move on. The Topps Prime 9 Player of the Week. I think this was through their website or something. Sandy Koufax. We get a 10 on that one. Nice. All right, here we go again. This card, they're not going to give this a 10, but if this comes back at 10, he's my favorite current player, Bryce Harper. This is another $1,000 card if it's a 10. I'm expecting an 8, though, on this card. Let's see what we get. Oh, my God! Are you kidding me? Oh, my...
Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay. Oh, jeez. I gotta watch my mouth. I don't want to swear on the camera here. Holy cow, they gave that a 10. Oh my goodness. Bryce Harper gold rookie. Oh, there's like the tiniest bit of something on the edge there. Oh my goodness. I have some 9s of this. I am shocked that thing got a 10. Like the most recent 10s are selling for like $1,000 on this. And that's down. Like he's having a heck of a year. He missed the first month, but holy cow. Wow. All right, next card up is the red Target version of this. If this gets a card, don't reveal it yet. If this gets a 10, it sells for about $3,000 or $4,000. So we'll reveal this slowly. There's no way this is getting a 10 because they would totally upcharge. 3, 2, 1, reveal. An 8. Okay, still. Wow, I can't believe we got a 10 on. Oh my gosh, we got an 8 on that. All right, now we have Manny Machado blue, his rookie card, the Walmart blue border. And this one comes back an 8. Okay, I think we have Arenado's Target next. Yeah, another potentially huge card here, but I'm not expecting a 10. And we get a 9 still. That is huge. That's several hundred right there. I love it. Wow. All right, this was a really cool 2015 Topps Chrome Refractor of WWE The Rock, Dwayne Johnson. Oh, we got a 10 on that. Nice. Oh my goodness. We got a good grader this time. What do we have here? Kyle Schwarber plays for the Phillies. I'm a big Phillies fan. This is his Topps Gold rookie, and it comes back a 10. Nice. Very cool. Next up, Aaron Nola Gold Refractor Topps Chrome. Wait. This one is numbered out of 50. And this one comes back a 10. This is going into my long-term holds because he's having like an off year, but he's on pace. My wife hates when I say on pace, referring to baseball cards or players, but he's on pace for the Hall of Fame. I know people may disagree, but he's on pace for 3,000 strikeouts, and he could put together a Cy Young year. A lot of pitchers peak later into their 30s. Like look at Max Scherzer and Justin Verlander, but yeah, I'm going to hold on to this Topps Chrome Gold Refractor PSA 10 of Nola. All right, here's Ozzie Albies, his gold rookie, number to 2018. This one gets a 10. Nice. All right. Getting the 10s where they count.
Oops, what did I do?
I'm not sure. Okay, next is, I think you might have skipped one.
I know.
Yeah. Is this the...
No, that's the Aussie.
No, this is the other
the
album.
gold. Okay.
Yeah, this is the Aussie Albie. This one here is a huge card. This is his Aussie Albies Topps Chrome Gold Refractor numbered to 50. And this one gets, come on, 10. Oh, money. Wow, we're getting golds on the 10s. This is shocking, but I love
10s
it.
on the golds.
Did I say that wrong? 10s on the golds? Yeah. Sandy Alcantara, I believe it's pronounced. He was the Cy Young last year. This is his Topps Chrome Gold, or regular autograph, not a gold. PSA 10. I'll take that. There's only, I think, 1 or 2 cards left in this order. This was just a 2018 Allen Ginter Babe Ruth card. Nothing special here, but I was hoping for a 10 on it. We got a 10. I mean, it's cool. My wife really loves these Allen Ginter throwback looking cards. They are sweet. Can't go wrong with a Babe Ruth 10 on any type of card. This is Dylan Cease, his Bowman Chrome autograph gold, numbered to... Golds are always numbered. It might be numbered on the front. I want to say it's numbered to 50, but it might be 25. Come on, give us a 10 on this. Yeah. Numbered 50. Out of 50. Autograph. He's a pitcher that is... He's one of my favorite young pitchers right now. He's having a heck of a start to his career. Here's just a 2021 Topps Aaron Judge. Just hoping for a 10 on this card. Get a 9. That's all right. I mean, it's just a base Aaron Judge. Best player in baseball right now. And this, I believe, is the last. Yeah, this is the last card in the order. 21 Topps Chrome WWE autographs. Asuka. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. And her card gets a 9. Okay. I picked this up at a card show for, I think, $5 raw. It's numbered to 199. All right. Let me... Nope, that's not how you go back.
Just tap on the left
you just
side.
tap. Oh. Let's take it back to that Aussie Albies. Both of those are incredible. Let's go back to my favorite card. That 9 Arenado is great. Nope. One more. No, the 8. Yeah, that gold Bryce Harper. Oh my goodness, I can't believe we got a 10 on that. Wow. Between that and the Buster Posey, oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm speechless with this order. It started off pretty but I expected that with a lot of the Junk Wax era cards. But I knew the money was at the tail end on this order. There was a potential for the money to be back at the end, and it paid off way above what I expected. I was not expecting anywhere near. I was expecting a 9 on the Posey. I was expecting an 8 on this Harper. I was expecting an 8 on the this Target one here. Oh, we did get the 8. Or I meant the Arenado. Yeah, I was expecting an 8 on this Arenado. We got a 9 on that. Yeah. So I'm gonna wrap this order up, or this video up. I have a couple more orders at PSA that should be back hopefully within a week or 2. This order, we shipped it out. When did we ship this one? It was like
May.
Yeah, it was the beginning of May. It was like, I think we shipped it out on the 3rd or the 4th. It's currently May 20. What is today?
6th.
Today's May 26th. This order, we just got the notification that shipped today. So we don't have the cards in hand yet. So this order took about 3 weeks from when we shipped it. So by the time it gets back, it'll be less than 4 weeks from the day we shipped it, from door to door, less than 4 weeks.
We still have a 90 card order sitting since March 2nd.
Yeah. So we shipped this order at the beginning of May. It's going to be back by the end of May. Another order, like she said, we shipped in March for 90 cards that's still in grading. So this one today is shipped. Yesterday it was in Q check 2. The day before that, Q check 1. The day before that it was in assembly. And the day before that was in grading. So it's, who knows, but I'm pleased with it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back with more to come. See ya.